So how can you use Quick Share on the iPad? Let me explain it. If you're new here or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. Okay, so Quick Share is officially called, it's a feature which is part of the Samsung or Android devices. On iPhones and iPads, this feature is called AirDrop. So it depends on what exactly you want to share and between which device. If you want to share stuff wirelessly and quickly between Apple devices like iPads, iPhones, you can use AirDrop. And if you want to send stuff between Android phones, then you can use the Quick Share. Right, so it's pretty simple. You can just open up the photos, whatever, tap on share, and use the AirDrop and share the stuff to another iPhone. The only possible complication would be that you want to send stuff from the Android phone to the iPad or iPhone, in which case these features are not really compatible, and that's why we need to get a third-party alternative. So there is an app which you can download on basically any device, and it's called Send Anywhere. So you can download it on your Samsung phone or Android device, and also on the iPad or iPhone. And this is going to allow you to connect these devices and share files over, even though it's on a different platform. So I would have the ability to open up my Samsung phone and just look up any photo or whatever, click on share, use the Send Anywhere, and then I can open up the Send Anywhere app on my iPad, click on receive, and I type in the code from my Android phone, and it is going to send the file over, even though it is technically not compatible. So this is a great solution for people using multi-platform setup. So people who use Androids as well as iPads, this is a nice way to share files over. So I hope that I was able to explain it to you and show you how it could work. If it's your first time on here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important.